What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be discussing my September earnings with this TikTok clipping account that I manage, and I'm going to walk you through the analytics, the earnings, and explain to you exactly how I make money with clipping Caleb Hammer's content. This account has 62,000 followers, and I built this account completely from scratch. So let's get right into the earnings and talk about what I made this month with TikTok clipping. So for the month of September, as you can see right here, I made a grand total of $3,498.64, and I'm filming this on the 30th, so I'll get my final earnings tomorrow, so I would expect about $20 more than this. But this is the grand total of what I made on this account just by simply clipping Caleb's content on his YouTube channel and with his member exclusive content. And yes, I do have permission from him to post these clips because, again, at the end of the day, we are trying to get more attraction to these content creators that we clip for. And as you can see right here, the standard reward, so without the additional reward, is only $700, and the additional reward is really what helps out so much. And to pull from the analytics for the month of September, this account generated 8.4 million views, 126,000 profile visits, over 400,000 likes, almost 5,000 comments, and 18,000 shares, which is absolutely insane. And just for a secret tip, say if you do clip for podcasts like similar to Caleb's, pull controversial moments, because that is what's going to blow up, and that's what happened in the month of September. This video right here, 2.6 million views over a minute, and it's controversial with a title card of Caleb slipping up on her pronouns. And there was another 1 million viewed video, which was happened in back-to-back days, which is insane. And it's this one right here, paying her dad secretly, which got 1.3 million views. And that's really what made September such a great month, was because of those two videos right here. And of course, a bunch of these other videos did pretty well. And so for the month of September, this account gained over 2,000 net followers. And it's very interesting to see that this account is 54% male and 46% female, which I guess helps the content a lot because it's more even split. And as you can see right here, month of September, 3.7 million qualified views and 7.1 million total views. And the reason why I don't get paid for every single view is, first off, because every video has to be over a minute. The video has to pop up on the viewer's For You page, and they have to watch for at least 5 seconds. So that is why you can see right here that not every view is qualified, but still, 3.7 million qualified views is insane. And as you can see right here, in one day alone from those two videos that went off, I qualified 1.5 million views. And as you can see down here, there's a lot of other analytics where 15% of people watched this video in under 5 seconds, and 20% of the views were not watched from the For You page, which is a fifth of the views, which is honestly quite a bit, but does make sense because when people click the page and then watch the video, that does not count as a qualified view. And as you can see right here, these were the highest earnings for the month. So as you can see, these top two videos right here, 832 videos total. So as you can see right here, these are the highest paying videos for the month of September. And as you can see right here, these two videos went insane. $832 right here, $786 for this video, and a lot of other videos that had great earnings for the month. And really, the additional reward in the Creator Rewards program on TikTok is so helpful because, again, without this, I would not have made clearly as much. But a lot of you watching this video might be asking, Ethan, how did you do this exactly? Well, let me walk you through the process, and it really is not that difficult. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find a popular creator on YouTube and you want to clip for them. Again, if you see a bunch of other clippers clipping for this creator on TikTok, you don't need their permission. They are clearly already fine with it because other people clip for them. Now, if you're wanting to clip for a creator, and say if their account is smaller on YouTube and there's not really other clippers for them, then you 100% want to get their permission because they could see it as you stealing their content, because again, we don't want to impersonate as them. So if you can, send them an email, send them an Instagram DM, give the value that you can give them with generating more attraction to their content. And this really helps with podcast pages specifically because there's a lot of content to clip from. And then once you find your creator, you can screen record manually of the content that you want to do, or you can copy the link of the YouTube video and you can go to Opus Pro, which I highly recommend, and you can copy and paste the YouTube video link, and it has its own clipping model to where you are going to get over 40 clips that can potentially go viral. And it really does save you a lot of time, and you can customize the length of the clips that you want, and you can tell the genre to be as specific as you can, and you're going to get a ton of clips from this. And you have your custom caption presets, which really helps save a lot of time. And if you want to try it out, you can actually get 50% off right now. And if you want, try the free version, which you can have free forever. You're going to have the watermark on the video, but it allows you to try it out to see if it's worth it for you. So I highly recommend it. It saves so much time. And just for proof, I edit literally all of these clips on Opus, and it has been so helpful. As you can see, so many clips that I've edited, and they've gone viral just from using Opus. And for another clipping account that I'm building, which is almost at 10,000 followers, I did the YouTube video copy and paste method. And again, see right here, it generated so many clips, 36 as you can see right here. And so there's a lot of potential with growing a TikTok clipping account with using this method. Now me, for instance, I watch Caleb Hammer on YouTube. So when I'm watching them, I will open up my notes app and write timestamps down that I like. Or while I'm watching it, say if I'm on my phone, I'll just go ahead and screen record it. And once you have the screen recording, you can then upload it manually in here, just like how I did with this clip right here. And if you do upload a manual clip, make sure you put don't clip, because you do not want your clip to be clipped, if that makes sense. So I highly recommend this method with Opus. It saves so much time. Again, you don't even have to use Opus if you don't want to. You could use CapCut. You could just use the TikTok app application itself. So many different apps that can help you. And also you could potentially use Premiere Pro. And that is now also on the phone, which is amazing. They just released an app for it. So if you want to try out Premiere Pro as an editing software, you can now try it on your phone. But there's so many different possibilities with clipping. There's so many creators out there that can use help to get traction to their podcasts, because that's really what I'm aiming more towards, is the podcast type of content, because so many clips can be made from hour-and-a-half long hour podcasts. And I'm very curious, if you're a clipper watching this, what has been your highest paid month? Because this is almost my highest paid month that I've had this month, which is insane. Or are you new to clipping, watching this video, just trying to see how you can get started? I'd love to hear more from you guys on that. And I also have a free Discord community where we all can give free value to one another. Whether you're a clipper, you want to learn how to make money online, any of that good stuff, you can join that for free. And I'll have that link in the description down below. And I just wanted to say thank you all for the support on the channel. And if you have any other videos you want to see regarding clipping, making money online, video editing, let me know, and I'd love to help out as much as I can. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.